Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gavyn here from the Growing Younger team, and we're cranking along with these daily workouts now. And like I said, I do apologise for them being pre-recorded, but like I said, I've got a couple of clients at these 10 o'clock slots, and I'm an essential worker, so I'll be out and about doing stuff. So this next exercise is it's called a pyramid set, okay? And it can be quite challenging. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to give you lots of different variations of the exercises as well for you to do it. But ultimately, go at your own pace, do what you can, right? So first of all, this is going to be a little bit more challenging. So I do want you to do a bit of a warm-up, right? So you get some arm circles going. 10 forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and back the other way, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? Next we're going to do, you're going to grab a chair, and you're going to do some leg swinging across the front of your body. You just get the hips nice and loose. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And same for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you're going to go forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and the other side. 2, 3. So how is the lockdown treating you guys? Leave a comment down below, tell me how you're getting on, if you're stir crazy yet, or you're just taking it in your stride. Tell me how you're doing, right? So like I said, it's a pyramid workout, okay? Tag a friend, share the post, like the page, get everyone involved, really important, get us nice and moving. So 5 exercises involved today, and in a pyramid style fashion. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 rep of each exercise in a circuit. Alright, and then the exercises are step back lunges, side to side hops, glute raises, row and a fly, okay? So you do 1 rep through. Then you're going to take a little bit of rest if you need it, and you're going to do 2 reps through, and 3 reps through, and 4 reps through, all the way up to as far as you can, ideally 10. When you get to 10, that's half the workout done. If you're feeling fit, you can come back down the ladder, back to 0 again. If that's you, that's absolutely fine. You carry on, you park this and do another time, right? So the exercises involved are a step back lunge. Now, if you're going to do this freestyle, step back lunge, you step back. This is 1 rep, okay? Back and forth 1 rep. If that's too hard for you, grab yourself a bench and just, or a chair, and just step back, okay? Do what you can. If your knees are tweaky, don't go as low, just step back and you'll be fine, right? So, what we do is that would be 1 rep. 1, 1. Next one's going to be side to side hops, okay? So you're going to find a line in the floor and you're going to go 1. That's 1 rep. If you can't do the jump, step and step, okay? Exercise number 3, glute raise. Now, if you've got a couch or a chair, I like this version a little bit better, okay? So you're going to come back this way, put your back on the chair, and what you're going to do is you're going to come down to the floor and lift. 1. That's 1 rep, okay? Anyone can do this exercise, so when you get out of it, come sit on the floor and stand back up that way. If you find that one's a little bit too challenging for you, you can't actually get down to the floor properly, then just lie straight on your back and you lift. And that's 1 rep, okay? Straight up off the floor, working the glutes. Next one's going to be a push-up. So again, we've done these before now. There's you got a chair, so a couple of versions, right? This will be a super easy version. This will be the second most easy version. You got the standard version and the other standard version. So pick one that works for you. And that would be 1 rep. Then we got row and fly. So what I didn't grab, bear with me, is a couple of dumbbells or some soup tins, alright? So, like I said, if you've got a set of dumbbells, you can use them. If you haven't, no worries. Just just grab yourself some soup cans or bean cans out of the cupboard and do the same trick, alright? So you got the harder version, so it's a row and a fly, that's 1 rep, okay? If you can't do it standing, that is absolutely fine. Come to the edge of your chair, row and fly, and that's 1 rep, okay? And give it a go. Now what you do is, if you want to take rest, that's 1 cycle through, then you're going to do the whole thing through 1 more time. So I'm going to just go through it all in a nice fluid way and show you how it's going to be done, right? So I'll go for number 2, right? So it'll be 2. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay? Glute raises, I'll use the chair version. Come back down. Come down to the floor. 1 and 2. Up the floor. Do some press ups. 1, 2. Grab my dumbbells. 1, 1, 2, 2. And then you're going to go back up and you're going to do 3 of each, 4 of each, 5 of each, 6 of each. Take rest as you need it. Get to 10. If you're feeling energetic, come back down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. Or you can stop, entirely up to you. That's a period workout. Very, very effective. Actually, more challenging than it appears to be. And once you start getting those 5, 6 reps, you're going to start to feel quite challenged. But like I said, do the best you can. If you get to 6 and 7 and you can't do any more, that's fine. Just stop. No worries at all. So, like I said at the beginning, okay, get everyone involved with these workouts. Tag a friend, share the post, comment down below. Chuck a selfie in down below if you want, more the merrier. Any questions or about the workout, let me know and I can answer them as we go through. So that's the workout for today, guys. Take it easy, and I should be back tomorrow with a live video for us to follow. Take it easy, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.